We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 390, part 1. I win both games, and this is DRYTRON versus Mystic Mind. Game 2 is ridiculous. What is that? Diviner, send Arclight, add Benten. This is where I screwed up a bit here. I was thinking of getting the Delta drop, but I did not get the Delta drop because I don't have a ritual spell or monster to reveal for Delta's effect. And I got ultimateness with Benten. Somehow I still went full combo with this. Zeta, tribute, ultimateness, add Medium DRYTRON. Overlay those two for Fafnir. Fafnir, dump, Gamma. Medium DRYTRON. Detach from Fafnir, ultimateness from the grave. Decrease attack, add back, activate. Detach, special. Overlay for Beatrice. Beatrice will send to the graveyard Draconids, Monster Reborn. Since it was properly ritual summoned, I can special summon it from the grave. Benten, Gamma, tribute Benten, special summon. And then Benten is gonna give me the orange light. Blanked off for Karibo and those two for Verte effect, pay 2000, copyright as fusion for Goon. And that's about it. One day of peace. Nope, no peace. Scald Oracle. Get that out of here, Eva. I was waiting for to send this. I don't want to banish this. Benten and Arclight. Arclight. And orange. Gonna load me up with 2 more fairies for the ultimateness negate. Get that out of here. Mystic Vine. Get that out of here. Let's duel wins. Game 2 was, I went first, full combo. His turn negated everything, he surrendered. Ridiculous. Come on, load up. Right here. This was my hand. Still went full combo here. Oh, I thought I went Diviner first. No. Okay. Tribute. Effect. Add. Okay. Delta. Tribute Benten. Activate effect. Reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Benten. Another orange light. Normal summon Diviner. Send Arclight. Arclight will add another fairy, Natasha. I wanted to load up as much fairies as I can here. I should have sent. If I would have added the ritual spell, it would have been different. Fafnir. Dumping the Zeta. Zeta. Tribute ultimateness. Add ritual. Ritual activate. Attach from a bit of Fafnir. Tribute summon ultimateness. Medium DRYTRON. Decrease attack by 1000. Add back from grave. Activate again. For Benten, detaching from Fafnir. Those two for Beatrice effect. Attach Diviner, send Eva's effect. Banish those two to get those two. So I have 5 fairies in my hand right now. Those two for birthday effect. Pay 2,000 copy red as fusion for Goon. Dumping the usual 2. And that's ending my turn right there. I have 6 negates. This guy discards this guy. And then this guy I'll discard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negates. He has 6 cards in his hand. Good luck. Pot of Duality. I was like, well, if I discard this, I will only have 4 discards, so... Oh, I gotta plug in my shit. There we go. 1 negate. 2 negates. 3 negates. 4 negates. And then he activates another one. Does he activate? Oh no, I thought he activated 2. That was game 1. Activated 4 cards. Let's do this. Check out his deck. Oh, he didn't have his chat on. Does he fully have his deck? Oh no, no chat, no deck. That's okay. And we went from 1,100 to 1120. 257, still at 257. Looks like you don't get nothing till you hit silver. Comment, share, like if you're subbed, if you liked it. See you guys.